On today's episode, we're tearing all the body panels and the tub off, getting her down to the frame.
Sponsored by TRE 4x4BC.
Welcome back to Fab and Adventures, guys. Today we're tearing the body panels off, getting her down to the frame, and I've decided to go a little bit different route. I was going to work on the rust at first, but I think what I'm going to do is get her down to the frame, look at what I'm working with, start fitting the automatic transmission in and the T-case doubler, and make some, in the future I'll be making some transfer case mounts, transmission mounts, cross members and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing. Let's rip it apart. So it appears that at least these fenders here are brand new. You can tell by the paint, they're brand new painted fenders, no rust or nothing like that, so that's cool. Let's rip this stuff off. So the front fenders and stuff seem to come off of this thing pretty simple, like a few bolts and a half an hour of work, and the front comes off, and it would make it like super easy to do any sort of work if you had to, any major head work or whatever, just to pull the fenders off and work on it. So pretty cool. We're going to continue to undo the wiring and loosen up the cab and get the cab ready to lift. Whew. Woo-wee. You hear the sound of that snow? Minus 33 this morning, which brings us to a warmer place. Our first submission of subscriber rides is coming to you from Australia.
Hello YouTube, this is Cal. This is my 1993 Suzuki Sierra, also known as a Suzuki Samurai in the States. She's just running the stock 1.3 coupled to a MySide, and that's hooked up to an ammo container. This is so I can run my snorkel and keep dust out of the engine. It's running a 6x5 transfer case, painted in Raptor liner. Made some sliders. These can be pressurized and turned into air tanks. Here are some sliders I made before. These will be getting sold and will have a new home soon. Right now I'm just making a new rear bumper. My old one got bent in recovery. This one's just made out of a scrap C-channel, and yeah, nice beefy stuff. At the moment I'm just figuring out how to do the wiring. The most useful mod is the roof rack. This is from recycled fiberglass. The best mod so far is a thing called an engine watchdog. This bolts up to your motor on the side of the head with a thermocouple and gives you a real-time temperature. It's saved my car numerous times because you can't always rely on water, especially when it turns to steam.
That was pretty cool, hey? So I want to thank Calum, if that's how you say your name. Sorry if I mispronounce it. But thanks for your submission for the first episode of Subscriber Rides. It's awesome. I'm looking forward to more videos coming in. But now we're getting ready to pull the tub off the frame. Just got to take a few things off, undo the body mounts, undo the steering shaft, and she's coming off. I got the tractor in the shop staying warm, so she'll fire up for us. And I'm going to lift the tub up with the tractor, push the frame out from underneath. Let's get after it. Oh man, what a lifesaver that tractor is. Made easy work of pulling the cab, bringing in my Turbo 350 205 combo. That was awesome. Super handy to have that tractor. And having the tub off the frame is going to make it so much easier to mock up the transmission transfer case combo. Doing 4 links, I'm looking at putting 1 tons under this bad boy, 14 bolt rear, Dana 60 front, links, coilovers. It's going to be awesome. Now that I've got this tub off the frame, I'm going to take it, get it cleaned up, maybe even get it sandblasted, coated, clean it up real good. That way she's good for a long time. And then we'll be working on the tub, sandblast the tub, get the rust off of it, fix the rust holes in the floorboards and whatnot, and she'll be good. So you guys know the drill. Subscribe, share, like these videos, hit the bell to be notified. If you want to help the channel out, maybe email me and pick up a sweater, or go in the link in the description below to my Patreon and subscribe to that. And until next Friday, stay warm, guys.